Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to look at these mirrors that I purchased from Amazon for the ATV. Here's what the back of them looks like, kind of carbon fiber looking thing, plastic. It's starting to sprinkle on me, so I'll try to hurry through this. There's the picture there, pretty nice. And you get two of them. There's a second one. It comes with the clamp, so you'll have to take these all the way out so you could open it up to fit over the handlebars. You're going to need an 8mm socket and a 17mm open end wrench. It screws in to the top of this right here, and then this little slip cover right here goes over the top of the nut. So with this one, on this 500 CFORCE by CFMoto, I had to put it kind of on the bend of the handlebar because of this brake fluid reservoir there. And that's how I installed that one. So I'm going to install this one on the same spot so they'll be uniform and have symmetry, and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. So once you get them where you want them, after you screw this into this and you have your angle where you want it at, that looks pretty pretty uniform there, pretty symmetrical. Yo. Tighten these up till they're snug. You'll lift up this little sleeve on here. My wrench. Get my wrench, sorry about that. You get your wrench, your open end wrench. Start it with your fingers until you can't tighten it anymore. And you snug it up. Then you put your sleeve. There's the cat again. I tell you, she's in every one of them. You put your sleeve over the nut, and there's your two mirrors. It looks pretty good. Let's see. And there they are. They look a little high. I don't know if I have these two switched, and I need to try to put them on the other end, but this adjusts right there. And it looks pretty good. I mean, for when you're on trails or riding with other people, or so you're able to see behind you. And I think I paid like $18 for them on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And like always, let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate you all. Thanks. Bye.